Hi, ladies. Happy Friday. I hope that you have some wonderful weekend plans ahead. Just a couple quick things. We landed at just the two of you in this class, so you'll see notes throughout the course to reply to two people. That's not going to be required because there are only two of you in the class. So please make sure to reply to at least one other person, whether it's me or each other during each discussion, but certainly more frequent participation is welcome. The other thing is, since there are only two of you, what we can do is really tailor this class to the things that interest you. So certainly we need to cover the learning outcomes for the course. This is very important, particularly if you are going to pursue the certificate that can be earned through as part of this course with completing all those instructional design classes. But if there are things that you really want to talk about, we can really move our discussion in that direction. I'm happy to do that. I love it when I have a chance to work really closely with people. So if there's something that you want to explore, please let me know. I'm happy to do that. Again, have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you soon.